Assalamualaikum friends, in this video I will share with you a small tricks while you making your assignment or your documentation. Like your assignment, you are copying from internet source, and in your screen, like you are seeing, there is a text having multiple changes like a document font sizing, font styling, font coloring. So how can we set this text? By using a small tricks I can share with you. So let's start. Once we select all the text by a keyboard control A or by a mouse like this. So here you are seeing some text is italic form, some text font coloring is blue, some is bold, and some is underlining. So we set this all the text by single clicking on a commands. Like first we set the coloring of the text, like here some is blue and some are black. So here is the coloring of the text, you can select all black. So you can see here all the text is black. And now you want to remove this underlined text, you can go here and CTRL+U like this again. So your whole the text is removing the underline. Same here, this text is the bold, and you can go there bold option. Once you click on a B and again B, so you should see here all the text is equal. So again we go there the font sizing. So every font size is 12. I want 12. So here from font in listing I am selecting the 12. So you can see here again font size. It's a font styling. So here you are saying font styling is different, like Arial, and I want to set Times New Roman. So here I can select Times New Roman. Now your some text is straight and some is, you can see here, is in italic form. So again CTRL+A, and here small I, you can see once you click on it all your text will be italic, and again your all text is aligning the same. So same here, when you want set your heading like bold, so you can select it individually and bold. And here you want to apply a indent, so you can go here and apply a styling like this, and again underlining. And same here, your assignment is looking very good. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you so much.